Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made my intro, since a lot of people said they wanted me to make a video on it. So I'm using this app called ripl, I guess that's how you pronounce it, maybe. So yeah, this is the app and I already have it downloaded. So I just opened up the app and it might ask you to sign up. It might not. But if not, you want to go ahead and hit the plus button at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to type in whatever you want it to say. So in this case, I just typed in Marissa Keith and YouTuber, and then you can add up to 8 different photos. So I just chose 8 random photos because this is just for a demonstration. So they have a bunch of templates, so you just want to hit more designs, and then you can just choose a design that's free. Now if it has a pro on it, that means that it costs money, as in you have to have an account. And for this video I'm just going to show the free ones. Well, I'm going to show both, but I'm going to start off with the free one at the top. So after that gets done downloading, I'm just going to show you an example of what it would look like. So here's the first layout. So yeah, it's very simple and easy. It does pretty much everything for you. But if you want to change the color, you can. If you want to change the font size or whatever, and they also have like 5 songs that you can choose from. But I think for the song you have to be pro. So yeah, I just changed some of the names, and I think I changed the color, and then I think I changed the font too. Oh, and you can also change the background. So I'm just showing you what it would look like again with the so yeah, again, you can change the color. As you can see, they have like 5 options. They don't have every single color. Well, some templates do, but not all of them do. Because since this is a seasonal theme, they only have certain colors. And then you can choose more fonts, but again, they're going to charge you for that. So yeah, about 3 or 4 different background themes you can choose from. I'm just showing you what it would look like. So now I'm just going to choose another template. Well, actually, that is the only template they have right now for free. Every now and then they're add another one for a free one. But I just found this app maybe a week ago, not that long ago. So again, pretty much all of these, all the rest of them you have to pay for. I will get into pricing later on in the video. So yeah, they have a lot of different cool things. So right now I'm just going to show you one that's pro. Again, the pro ones are not for free. So this is the one that I'm currently using. So yeah, I really like this one the best. It was either this one and another one, but I just chose this one. So everything is pretty much just made for you because it's a template, and you can always just change the color or change the font. Very easy, very simple. Yeah, and then you would double tap it to change the words. So those are the 3 songs that it comes with. And this is another layout that I was going to go with. But I was like, I like the other one better because this one, I didn't really like the shaking too much. But I guess it's okay. So yeah, pricing. So either you could do the $10 a month, but if you do that, you have to, after that it's going to be $119 a year, and I don't know if you can cancel that until after you do the first year, or you can do the $15 a month. Now, I don't know if you can do the 7-day free trial and after the 7 days is up canceling. I don't know how you would do that. I don't even know if you can cancel after the first 7 days. You might have to wait a couple months or the first month. I'm not really sure how that works because I've seen some people leave a comment in the App Store saying that they didn't know how to cancel it once you do the monthly subscription. Well, for the first 7 days after you cancel, some people didn't know how to do that because they might require you to wait a couple months. So before doing that, I would definitely ask the company how exactly would you cancel before actually going through with the subscription. But yeah, so either you can pay $15 a month and cancel whenever, or you can do the $10 a month, but I think it's required for you to do $120 for the year. But again, I'm not sure. So yeah. This is another layout that I was going to go with, but it just wasn't fancy enough for me. It wasn't doing that much. And then this is another template. I thought it was just okay. It didn't really stand out to me that much, so I didn't go with it. But again, all of these are the same picture. I'm just showing you what it would look like for the different templates. Again, you can also change the color and change the words and stuff like that. And this is a seasonal one. I definitely was not going to choose this one because it just, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. I mean, I like the animations. I just really don't like the background. It's just too, I don't know, I just really wasn't feeling it. And I think that was the first layout that I went with, but I was like, no, it gotta be something better. Again, you can add up to 8 different photos. You cannot go past 8. And then here are just some more templates for you guys that I'm just going to show what it will look like. I really like this template. I think I might change mine after a month or so to this one because I thought this one was really dope. I like how quick the animations are. So yeah, as you can see, they have tons of templates already made. I wish they made more templates for free. Cause like, how you gonna only have one template for free, and then it would be a seasonal one instead of like a regular one? But yeah, so it's a free app in the App Store, but to actually get most of these, you have to pay $15 a month. I wish they would just make it like a flat $5 fee just to have the app, and then you get everything unlimited. But they want to charge you monthly for it, which is ridiculous. And this was another one I thought was so pretty. I might go with this one. I might change mine to this one after a while too. Even though it's pretty much the same thing, just minus the animation of it moving. Like my photo moving instead of the words. And this one reminded me of like a movie trailer. I thought it was dope. But again, I really just don't like the shakiness. So as you can see, I've tried a whole bunch of templates, and I'm going to try a couple more for you guys. So yeah, this one was very plain and basic. I didn't really like this one at all because there's nothing really special about it. I thought this one was pretty too though. I thought this one was pretty too, but I didn't like the way it made my photos look in the collage. I wish you could adjust like the collage shapes. Otherwise, I would definitely go with it. This one was also kind of basic, like it didn't do that much for me. This one was also kind of basic.